Subscribe and click on the bell icon to never miss a video on India Food Network.
Hi, welcome to Kissan Tiffin Timetable. I am Monica. Today is a brand new day, but the worry remains the same. आज tiffin में क्या दें? And to solve this problem, we are bringing you 200 tiffin recipes for 200 school days. Today we are making egg sabzi. Egg is an excellent source of protein for the kids. And this delicious recipe will make sure the tiffin box comes back empty. So चलो देखें कैसे बनाएं हर दिन नया tiffin, हर दिन empty tiffin. So let's start making the egg sabzi. Pour some oil in the pan. And once the oil is hot, add mustard seeds, jeera. Once the jeera is brown, add about a cup of onions. About one and a half chopped onions, and cook till they are lightly browned. The onions are browned and I'll add some vegetables to it. About 1/4 cup of blanched spinach, half a cup of grated carrot, some bell peppers. Let the vegetables cook for about 2 minutes. And let's add the dry spices. Salt, haldi, chilli powder, some garam masala, dhania powder, and a few curry leaves. Mix them well. I'm now going to add Kissan Tomato Ketchup. The Kissan Tomato Ketchup blends with the ingredients really well and takes the recipe a notch higher. Time to add the chopped eggs. For vegetarians, you can use paneer as a source of protein. It really works well for the dish. To finish, just add some grated coconut, and chopped coriander leaves. That's it. Our egg sabzi is ready. Chalo, let's pack the tiffin. इसके साथ I'm going to add some pineapples and chapati which I've cut into interesting round pieces. I hope your kid enjoys this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe to India Food Network. Like and share this video. I'll be back tomorrow to show you कैसे बनाएं हर दिन नया tiffin, हर दिन empty tiffin.
This show is backed and powered by Kissan.